We are from Group 4, BMCG Section 8, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, University Technical Malaysia, Malacca. So we are going to present or to discuss about the seminar that conducted by IRR Hairi Muhammad Daud. So the title of the seminar is The Challenges of the Technopreneurship. So this seminar was conducted to advance entrepreneurial mindset and build entrepreneurial ecosystem among academic institutions in preparation for the offering of the Technopreneurship 101 coursework across engineering curriculum by 2018 to train faculty and students to understand the concept of entrepreneurship as a part in the engineering curriculum. So, and they are also to train faculty how to incorporate entrepreneurship in their subject matter, and train faculty to develop startup venture. So this seminar covered the entrepreneurship, technopreneurship, invention and innovation, and the last one is entrepreneur. So, first of all, I would like to discuss about the entrepreneurship. So, let me ask you, what is the entrepreneurship? So, entrepreneurship is the activity of setting up the business, taking on financial risk in the hope of profit. An entrepreneur is a person who set up the business with the aim to make a profit. So the attitude that need to provide as entrepreneur is have patience for their business, make time decision, believe in themselves, and last but not least is keep the ego under control. So entrepreneurship is an important part of being an engineer. Many of professors, researchers, and even students have started their own company as a result of an idea sparked by creative thinking. So, as a conclusion, entrepreneurship is a very important in this world.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Izni Yosin. So now I will explain to you about techno-entrepreneurship. So basically, techno-entrepreneurship is a combination of words from technology and entrepreneurship. It is not just about technology only, it is on how to manage the technology in order to achieve super value for the customer. Technopreneurship also is known as cyberpreneurship or netpreneurship. For technopreneur, it can be defined as entrepreneur with the skill and mindset to deal with a knowledge economy. It is also known as people who shift economic resources up the value chain. So where you need to start? First of all, you need to have a self-awareness where you need to identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So next is you need to have a communication with a simple but precise word. You also need action before contemplation, where you need to analyze your risk before you do the action. So next one is attitude. So for attitude, it can be identified by successful people and unsuccessful people. Successful people will have a good attitude. So we can take example of technopreneurship as Bill Gates that developed the Microsoft, Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, and Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook application, media social. So that's for the technopreneurship. So now value chain. Value chain is an automation of manual processes. It is used to be improving a value chain. in eliminating the middleman that incur the cost of product higher to the end customer. Going up to the value chain does not mean that the product or service has to be complicated, but the customer sees real benefit. So now we will go to the invention and innovation.
Hi, I'm Daniel Hao, and I will explain what is innovation and invention. First, I will introduce what invention first. Invention is a new or improved product or process of experimental. Invention that are novel, useful, and no obvious to someone skilled in the art can be mentioned as competition of method, process of math, or fields of view. And next, I will explain what is innovation. Innovation is the art of the process of commercializing an invention, of introducing someone new or improve the create value in the form of the commercial product. And innovation requires people using new knowledge and understanding to experiment with new possibility and using sound calibrative decision making tool in order to choose and implement new idea. Innovation is the turn of all idea, big and small, into successful outcome. It is implementation of idea generated as a result of full of creativity support culture. Thank you. Now proceed to next.
I'm Rahman bin Rato. I will explain about entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is an employee who is given the authority and support to create a new product without having to be concerned about whether or not the product will actually become a source of revenue for the company. Unlike an entrepreneur who faces personal risk when a product fails to produce revenue, an entrepreneur will continue to receive a salary even if the product fails to make it to production. A large organization can be challenged to identify and encourage employees whose business skill and creative ability make them good candidates to take on entrepreneurial role within the company, yet still be content to remain employees. The benefit of being an entrepreneur is that the risk of failure is far less. Entrepreneurs have the substantial finance of the company backing their effort, and they can take advantage of connection, knowledge, and skill available to the company. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.